Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add alt text on an Instagram post. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So alt text describes your photos for people with visual impairments. However, do note, alt text will automatically be created for your photo, or you can choose to write your own. Another plus feature for alt text is that it's great for search engine optimization. So let me show you how to add alt text to your Instagram post. So first you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here to post an Instagram post. From here, select a photo which you want to post. Tap on next. Then next again. Now here you can fill out all the details. So here you can enter in your caption, tag people, add messages, add reminders, locations, and so on. If you scroll down, tap on advanced settings. And here, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see in accessibility, write alt text. So go ahead and tap on it. And now here you can describe what your picture is about. A house in the middle of a field, and then tap done. And now this alt text will stay with the picture when you post this to Instagram. And there you go. That is how to write alt text on an Instagram post. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.